Since now we know what environment consists of, so we can easily define environmental sciences. But before defining this, we must have idea of its history. Environmental history emerged as a new field of study as environmental problems began to rise up the global political agenda in the 1960s and 1970s. Its primary goal is to show how environmental change and human actions are interconnected. Some of the major environmental problems are ozone depletion, greenhouse effect, global warming, disposal of waste, etc. There is a silent message in a given diagram. The silent message is that survival of human being or any organism is not possible without healthy environment. Now I would like to define environmental science. Environmental science is the study of interrelationships between human activities and the environment. Our environment is very important to us because it is where we live and share resources with other species. Environmental sciences enlightens us on how to conserve our environment in the face of increasing human population growth and anthropogenic activities that degrade natural resources and ecosystems. So students, you must have knowledge that learning about environmental science actually means to understand how nature works, to understand the various interaction of different components of our environment, and also to find how we humans affects our environment. It involves the study and understanding of the fact that even a single phenomena can affect the environment in a variety of ways with varying degree of complexity, and each of these effects can be understood from different perspectives rooted in different disciplines. In order to explain this, I would like to give the example of plants, how plants grow. As we all know that plants take in carbon dioxide from air, water from soil and sunlight to make their food through chemical process, and this process is known as photosynthesis, and also these plants serve food for animals. So we can say all the biotic components constantly interact or exchange things with each other, as well as abiotic components for their survival or existence. The plants are just a small aspect of our environment, but it can affect the environment in a variety of ways. Nature and scope of environmental science. A study of environmental science is getting a lot of attention not only in the field of pollution control but also to sustain the life and nature. So we can say that environmental science helps us to understand the nature of environment and its components, nature of disturbing factors and the various methods to overcome disturbing factors. The disturbing factors pressurize sustainability and natural living. Environmental science can help us avoid mistakes made by past civilizations. Human survival depends on how we interact with our environment. Our impacts are now global. The scope of environmental science is very wide and it deals with many areas like conservation of natural resources, ecological aspects, pollution of surrounding natural resources, controlling the pollution, social issues connected to it, impact of human population on the environment. So we will discuss all the topics one by one in our upcoming lectures, and after that you will get a better idea that how environmental science contribute to our society, to our daily life and to our atmosphere. Thank you all for your kind attention. Allah Hafiz.